Assalamualaikum grade 5. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture. So open your English Oxford book at page number 52, Unit 10. Let's check. Unit 10, Lesson 1. Read the dialogue and circle the correct phrases. Students, as I have told you before, a dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. Here the dialogue is between A and B characters. There are the two characters. The first one is A and the second one is B. Why don't you do some exercise this term? I'm sure you would enjoy it. B. What do you suggest I do? A. Why don't you take up running? B. I haven't got any trainers. A. You may always buy a new pair for yourself. B. They might be expensive. Have you got any other ideas? What about taking up hockey? Hockey balls are very hard. How about a game with a softer ball? I know you would go along to volleyball practice. It's in the gym every day. Wednesday evening they have a lot of fun, so I hear. That sounds very tiring. I think I'll stay at home instead. Let's go swimming. The pool is open today from 2 until 4. Choose the correct word to complete the sentences. When the buffalo saw Humble, it came for him. After they caught the buffalo, Humble and Babel headed home on to home. She asked my father, as she knew he had been ill, for my brother does the most exercise in our family. My grandmother did the most cooking in her family. Listen to your teacher and complete the sentences. Ali can ride, but he can't ride the unicycle. My teacher is bilingual. She can speak 2 languages. To do the triathlon, you have to swim, cycle and swim. The family made a lot of journeys. I don't enjoy stories about fairies. The 2 leaders lived in different cities. Grade 5, now open page number 53, Unit 10, Lesson 2, add tag questions. You planted some fruit seeds last year, didn't you? You were thinking of keeping geese, didn't you? They haven't collected the eggs today, have they? They weren't planning to have ducks on the farm, were they? They had forgotten to make some fish pond, hadn't they? They hadn't built any hen houses, had they? You didn't enjoy living on the farm, did you? You have found another job, didn't you? Now change the direct speech to reported speech. Students, reported speech is spoken from a person. For example, pandas live in the mountains in China. She said that. You will add here, she said that pandas live in the mountains in China. There may be only 500,000 pandas in the world. You will add here, she said that there may be only 500 to 1,000 pandas in the world. She said that people only discovered pandas in 1869. She said that pandas reached zoos outside China after 1937. This is your task. You have to do it by yourself. 5. Now open English grammar book, page number 40, Unit 12, Adjectives. In this lesson, you will learn about possessive pronouns, stand in place of a noun or adjective. Possessive adjectives show who owns or possesses the noun. Following are possessive adjectives: me, your, his, her, our, its, their. Exercises: our house is located far away. Underline the possessive adjective. Our is a possessive adjective. You will underline the word are. They have called a mechanic to repair their television. There, underline. He was able to defeat his opponent easily. His. The river overflooded its bank. Its. Your car is blocking the entry. Your. On page 41, copy the following sentences in your notebook. Insert suitable possessive adjectives in the blanks. The secret agent was looking out for his whereabouts. Our house needs repairs, so we have called in a mason. We are planning to go to our village during the holidays. The school debating team gave up their plans to participate. Are you willing to send your choir to sing at the opening ceremony of the games? In exercise B, copy the following sentences in your notebook and complete each sentence by using an ordinary adjective and possessive adjective to describe the noun. The first one has been done for you. Scotland is known for its beautiful scenery. He could not sleep the whole night because of his cough. She has taken her scarf He has kept the paper in his cupboard. Come and take my book. He likes to stay in 5-star hotels because he likes their meals. Fill in the blanks with its or its. The river overflooded its banks. It is a pretty little cottage. It is colder out there. Look, it's a cave beneath the rocks, shouted Amanda. Please take this book back. Its pages are damaged, said John to his bookseller. Students, now open page 42. This is your task. You have to insert the blanks with possessive adjectives. So do it by yourself.